Hey guys, it's Mac from Simple Theory Gear, out here today just enjoying a wonderful day again in Michigan, but also wanting to just run back through everything, kind of check the efficacy, and once again, I like to really and very diligently, almost neurotically, check the stove and updates against weather patterns, things of that nature. Today though, this real brief video, I want to show you kind of up close the two slight alterations or modifications we made to this batch of stoves, and talk why we did that. And I've been burning all day, so we have just the coal base, but I think that's actually going to help some things. So to begin with, right here and here are two different grill plates. This is the newer version. This is the first run. Now, they run and function the exact same. The only difference is we extended this toggle, this tab, by a 1/16 of an inch. That's it. What that does, twofold. First fold, if you like to put it on top, kind of lay that, it's going to give you just that much more of a lip to do so. So it's not as precarious. It's still very precarious. We still recommend that you use the notching, that we designed the stove to have. And what that does, though, here's the second thing, is that now you have more purchase right here for unscrewing, screwing, grabbing, changing, all that good stuff that you may have to do, manipulation out in the field. All right, so the common theme we're going to come back to in this video is simplification and really enhancement. The second thing we changed is this tab right here. As you can see, the height of this is it's not even an eighth, right? It's larger than 1/16, so whatever that would be, it's at 3/32, some of that nature. Probably 5/32 above where this lip was. What that does is it increases this vent here for when you put a bigger vessel on top. Now, this only matters, and barely if that, for people who want to use bigger pots and vessels. So normally when I use the first run stove, the one I've been using for over a year, you can see it kind of push smoke off or whatever because of the exhaust is slightly limited. Now, if that's the case, what I always suggested was putting the grill plate on top, which gives you that extra space that we added right here, right? So what we've done, added that distance, whatever that creates, that right there, to this lip. So now you don't have to use the grill plate as that extra spacer. It's just right there. All right. So again, simplifications. We want to make this stove as, and forgive me for saying, as stupid simple as possible. All right. I, from my medical background, understand that if things should go wrong, all right, and this is when we start talking about survival and all the other stuff that people love talking about on the internet. But when you start going through whether you're stressed, beginning stages of hypothermia, perhaps you're just lost and scared or even dehydrated, certain functions start going out the window, So if we can make something that you don't have to put together, you don't have to search for parts, that's really hot, and that can use any vessel that you may have around you, and also wood, alcohol, fuel tabs, in some certain small bits of charcoal, different tertiary or auxiliary or just different versatility. We want to supply that to you to make it as simple as possible. You don't have to think. All you have to do is take it out of your backpack. If you have the stove, unsleeve it from your water bottle or wherever you have it, drop in some wood, start it up, get going, put your water on, and you're happy and you're on your way to health. So that is what we're looking for. That all comes standard with Simple Theory Gear. What that means is I don't want to have you guys to go on our website and have to purchase auxiliary items or different burn plates or different parts, accessories, or any of that nature. Nor do I ever want you guys to worry about warping. We talk about the jigsaw puzzles a lot of those stoves you got to manipulate together. And again, that goes back to what happens when you're cold, your hands are cold, and you've lost dexterity, things of that nature. I don't want you worrying about any of that. That's why we constructed this stove to be extremely durable, extremely efficient, extremely simple. Simple Theory gear, simple is very purposeful and intentional, and that is what we're looking for. So those are the two updates on terms of the stove. In terms of the bags, I think you guys are going to be very excited, and all of it comes back to input and feedback from you guys. We care more about our customers than we do about our own egos. So if you have an idea, if you have a modification that you want to either see or test out, someone has suggested maybe we just well out this area here to make things go in. We check that out. Unfortunately, it really weakened this section here with that welling out, so that's why we decided to increase the size of the tab. You know, same type of effect, same end goal, just different way to get there. So that is really what we want, as long as the criticism is constructive and, you know, presented, you know, kindly. You know, we very much love talking about things and love taking that. So thank you very much for that. So please understand that we also very much appreciate the patience and support you guys have given us. We are very sorry about the delay. That should be coming to an end. Site should be restocked with the new bags, new stoves, with our proprietary from Vulcan XP, exclusively for Simple Theory gear. We think that's really awesome. 100% natural ingredients. All should be up soon. Thank you guys very much. I'm sorry for talking your ear. It's supposed to be a quicker video than this, but really wanted to get this out there. We're very excited and hope you guys are too. Thank you guys. Be well, and we'll be talking to you on the next video.